Hello, in this video I'm going to give you an example of how to use the product blocks. So on this page you can see we've got like a product grid. This is when members first log into the site, they can access a download page. So each of these are the products, and the products have the images added within the product. So you've got basically a product title, the product image, and then an access button. What we're going to do is actually change this because this is using the shortcode. So we're going to update this page to use the block, and I'll show you the block options. So basically if we edit this page, you can see here we've got the title and then the shortcode and then the title for the section below, and then there's another shortcode. So what we're going to do is replace this shortcode with a block, and you'll see the various options. So let's just add a block here, and we actually want to choose products, or you can go up here and search for it, but basically under the fast member blocks you're going to see products. So once that block is added, we've got some placeholder products. These are just placeholders, so this will give us an idea of the layout, but it won't show us the actual content. But what we're going to do is change this block settings here. So I want to have a 2-column layout. I want to put the title position below the image. On this particular layout I will put it at the side. And then what we want to do is actually hide some products from this grid. So we can choose individual products to be displayed. We actually want it to update automatically when new products are added, except for certain products. We want to basically hide products that we don't want to make available to the users. So the first thing we want to set is to show products that users have purchased. So that basically if they haven't purchased a product, they won't appear in this grid, and it will automatically update once they have purchased. And then we want to hide some of the other products on the site. So for example, in this list I've got cloned products and products that are, so when I'm making an offer there's sometimes CDs and downloads available, and we obviously don't need to have all those products in this grid. So I'm going to hide certain products. So these CD products can be hidden. This product here is for, this partners product is for partners on this site. So the artists that are partnered, they have a specific product so that they can get paid using FastPay. But we don't need to show that product either, so let's hide that. And then there's some other products that may need to be hidden. So let's hide the bonuses, and then Eventbrite customers, the cloned product which I was using for testing, the plus video product. So that's kind of remove those products from ever being shown in this grid, and then it's only going to show the products when someone's purchased, and then any new products will automatically be added to this grid as well. So if we just say access product or access downloads, and then maybe let's change the button color. And then let's change this block at the bottom as well. So we're just going to add a line, / and then products. And we're going to do pretty much the same thing, except we're going to have a 1-column layout. And we're going to set this one to be just a single product. So that will hide everything else except for this product that's selected. So if I update this page now and actually remove these shortcodes as well, and let's update again, and then let's view the page. So now you can see we've got our 2-column layout. We've got all the products that we want to display that the customers purchased, and then there's the bonus section down here. So we can probably format this a little bit better, or maybe set that to 2-column just to make it more consistent. And let's refresh this, and then you can see we've got our bonuses here, and then we've got the other products at the top, and the layout's pretty much as we want it. So you can see it's basically quite easy to set up a products grid, and you've got dynamic control over the products that are appearing in the grid.